up, y'all? It's your girl Tosley back with another video. If you are returning, Tosley, babe, thank you, boo. If you are new to this channel, you already know you can't come into the palace until you hit that subscribe button, okay? So go ahead, hit the button. I'm gonna give you a minute. You hit it? All right, come on in before my gates close. Let me try and tell y'all my gates. All right, y'all, so today we're gonna be installing the Alipearl here from Amazon. So we got a 10-inch bob wig. Okay, it's cute. It's a lace front. It's nice. Okay. I see you, Ali. I see you, girl. So this is a 10-inch bob. All right, y'all. Alipearl, girl. This is Alipearl. All right, y'all. So we about to get right into this video. right, guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. These lashes will be available online. These are going to be called Slay Queen. Slay Queen. Oh, cool. All right, so make sure y'all shop Slay Queen. I love these lashes, y'all. I'm just mad dramatic, so I love dramatic lashes. I got more coming, but these gonna be the first ones that I post on my site. So make sure y'all grab these, okay? All right, and make sure y'all grab this wig too, okay? This bob 10-inch wig from Alipearl on Amazon. Okay, stop playing. Stop playing with Ali. Y'all better stop playing with her. All right, guys, I'll see you guys later.